In November 2014, the Union Government, Ministry of Agriculture has issued a notification by which foreign vessels are allowed to operate outside 12 nautical mile of the state sea territory and 250 nautical mile of the exclusive economic zone. These foreign vessels who have been permitted to do the fishing not only pose a threat to the marine security of our country, but also affect lakhs and lakhs of fishermen who live in the coastal area. Speaker Madam, in my state of Odisha alone, there are more than 1.5 lakh fishermen who depend on this fishing. 2,500 deep sea fishing boats are fishing in the deep water. 40,000 gill netters are fishing. So what this decision means to the livelihood of the people, that means the livelihood of such people get completely demolished. They are sitting today on the sea coast in Roa, Madam. Lakh and lakhs of people are just crying because their livelihood have been affected. So my question to the government is that in whose interest are we working? Are we working for the interest of our own fishermen, of our own people, or are we working for the interest of the foreign vessel? Through you, I will urge upon the government to take immediate cognizance of this serious menace and also withdraw this bill and give justice to the people of our country and ensure marine security.